Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, heat 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the 1-inch cinnamon stick for whole cloves, 3 cardamom pods, and 1 bay leaf. Sauté these spices until they become fragrant, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they're ready when you can smell the warm, spicy aroma filling your kitchen. This step is crucial because it releases the essential oils from the spices, giving your curry a rich base flavor. Next, add the 2 medium sliced onions to the pan. Fry them until they turn translucent, which should take around 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute. You'll know it's ready when the raw smell of the ginger and garlic disappears. This step is important because it builds the foundation of flavors for the curry. Now comes an important step. Add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of meat masala to the pan. Stir these spices well with 1 cup, 200 milliliters, of water to create a thick paste. This mixture should have a vibrant red color. The trick is to ensure the spices are well combined with the water, which helps them coat the beef evenly later. Add the 500 grams of boneless beef to the pan. Fry the beef with the spice mixture for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring frequently. You'll know it's ready when the beef is browned on all sides and the spices have formed a thick coating around the meat. This step is crucial because it seals in the flavors and ensures the beef is well seasoned up. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Once the beef is browned, add 1 teaspoon of salt, or to taste, and a 1/4 cup of yogurt. Stir well to combine everything. The yogurt will add a slight tanginess and help tenderize the beef. Make sure the yogurt is fully mixed in and the sauce has a smooth consistency. A common mistake is not mixing thoroughly, so take your time here. Add 1 cup, 200 milliliters, of water to the pan and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, cover the pan and pressure cook until the first whistle. This usually takes about 10 minutes. The pressure cooking helps the beef become tender and infuses it with the spices. If you're using a regular pot, simmer for about 45 minutes until the beef is tender. Reduce the heat and let the curry simmer for 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when the sauce has thickened and the oil starts to separate from the curry. This step is important because it allows the flavors to meld together, creating a rich and hearty curry. Finally, garnish your beef curry with chopped coriander leaves and slit green chilies. Let it simmer for an additional 2 minutes to allow the garnishes to release their flavors. Serve the curry hot and enjoy the delicious aroma and taste. The final touch of fresh coriander and chilies adds a burst of freshness and a hint of heat to the dish. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.